In this video, I'm going to show you how to determine what effect the semester exam grade has on the student's semester grade. In this example, I'm showing term 2, and as a result, my right-hand column here is the term 2 grade. What I need to do is come over here and click the drop-down arrow and choose View All Terms. When I do that and come over to the far right-hand column, this is the year grade, and I need to choose Semester 1. So that far right-hand column says SM1 for Semester 1. I'm going to scroll all the way over to the right to find my SemX1 column. I'm actually going to just adjust this a tiny bit so that my exam column is right next to my semester column. I'm going to enter the point value, and I'm going to now right-click and choose Fill Current Column, and I am going to fill this column with X for exempt, and then click OK, and then click Yes. So now what I can do is when I enter the student exam grades, I keep an eye on what their average is, and if it lowers their average, I'm going to put an exempt back in, and if it increases their average, I'm going to leave their grade in. So if this student received a 75 on the exam, his average is 67.63. When I hit enter, his average went up to 69, so that's good. This student received a 60, and let's see if the 51.53 goes up, and it does, so I'm going to leave it there. This student got an 85, and when I hit enter, their grade went down, so I'm going to come back here and put the X back in. This student got a 75, and his grade goes up. This student got a 55, and his grade went down, so I'm going to put the X back. This student got a 69, their grade went up. This student got an 89, and their grade went up. This student scored an 85, and their grade went up. This student scored a 60, and their grade went up. And this student scored a 75, and their grade went down, so I'll change that back to an exempt. So those that I put back to exempt are scores that brought the student's semester grade down. If I'm asked to review this next year and want to put a memo as to why these students have exempt grades, I can click the edit memo icon on the big toolbar, and I can choose current test because I currently have a cell highlighted in the SemX1 column. Click OK, and here I can type the reason why those students have exempt grades. So due to Hurricane Matthew, students missed 3 days of school right before the exam. If students' exam grade lowered their semester grade, their exam grade was replaced with an exempt grade of X. Close that. It asks me to save. Yes, I want to save. Now notice that my title of my test column is bolded.